trades, they're not because of your entry, they're because your time frames were fighting each other. If H4 says up but M15 says down, you're trading confusion. This episode will teach you how to align your time frame so every trade feels like it was meant to happen. Welcome back to AutoMarkets, where we build real traders, built, not begged. This is episode 6 of the Mastering Price Action series. We've covered structure, zones, retest, candles. Now it's time to bring it all together with multiple time frame analysis. Multi-Timeframe analysis is the art of using different time frames together to confirm a trade. It's about seeing the full map before choosing your road. Break it down. High time frame, which is the direction, and zones, i.e. daily and 4 hour. Mid time frame, which is structure and setup of the 1 hour. And low time frame is entry confirmation, 15 minute or 5 minute. Each one has a role, and when they all say the same thing, that's your high probability setup. With multi-time frame analysis, you start trading against the trend. You wait for zones with power and enter with timing that feels smooth. Reduce drawdown and doubt. It's like GPS with trading. One screen zoomed out and one screen zoomed in. One trade with total confidence. So here's how I build a trade using 3 time frames. 4 hour and the daily find key zones, support, resistance, supply or demand. The 1 hour looks for breaks, structure shifts or rejections, and the 15 minute or the 5 minute wait for candle confirmations or micro break and resets. Everything stacks, everything aligns. This is how I pass my funding challenge without second guessing.
Okay, so let's do a quick live example. So as you can see, we're on the Euro USD on the 4 hour. Now, firstly, you want to look for your 4 hour zone. So let's just say, for example, we came in here. That's our zone. Maybe you want the highest body and the highest wick. Drag that out. I will correct that. It's just because I'm on my phone. So there you go. As you can see, 4 hour. At the minute, you'd only be seeing this, to be truthful. I'm just doing it for an example so you can understand what you need to be looking out for. Then you move to the 1 hour. And as you can see, we've had a break of structure here and here. Now, what you can see here is it's broke the structure, and then it's come back down for a retest. Now, as you can see, as it's coming back down, what is this? Wicks. Wicks on the bottom of the candles shows that it doesn't want to go any further because the candle bodies are being up here, which means that the bears have tried to push it down, but the bulls have made sure the bodies have stayed above this line here, this support level. Now, when you see that, the next thing you're looking for is an engulfing candle. So you can see this wick rejection here. And what are you looking for next? An engulfing candle. For those of you that don't know, watch the engulfing candle video, the previous one, and you can see that this candle is engulfing the previous candle. And as you can see, we are now getting another strong bullish candle, but the market did finish as this was Friday, 9 o'clock it says. So that was the end of the session. So I'm guessing when the session goes live, we should see a spike going up for the Euro USD. That is my live chart example. If you want another example, comment down below and I'll do some more. This is just a rough example of what you need to be looking for.
Don't enter on M15 if D1 is unclear. Don't force high time frame bias if lower time frame haven't confirmed. And don't skip candles that speak last. Structure is king, candles are the voice, time frames are the counsel. In episode 7, we'll cover risk management with price action, how to size your positions, place your stops, and let structure control your risk. This is how pros stay in the game, even when the setup fails. If you've seen the power of this series, do this. Like the video, subscribe for all episodes, and download the free price action roadmap in the comments. And if you're serious about trading with structure, join the AutoMarkets Community. We're built, not begged. See you in episode 7.